The axles are bent, they are extremely old. Windshield, the interior windshield is completely dirty. And here's the body, dirty. Very dirty. Oh my gosh, look at this stain. It's completely dirty. The beginning of the restoration is cleaning up. To cut the axle off, you need a pinch. So let's find it. Okay, it's now time to cut these axles. There we go. We just remove the tabs. Here's these old axles. We're gonna replace them with some new ones. It's time to clean them up. Okay, now it's time to clean up the Gov'Ner's body. And we are going to put a little bit of something good that will allow the toothbrush to clean up the car. Whoop. There we go. There we go, there we go. Now it's time to clean up, as you can see there. This will be a great cleanup. And this is going to be an awesome restoration as well. As you can see there, the Gov'Ner has been completely cleaned up. Look at that. This is now shiny. It's time to use the interior as well right now. Now it is no longer dirty as well. Look at this car, no longer dirty. Now it's time for the interior to be cleaned up. I wish that I should customize this interior as well. I'm gonna customize the interior with Bluetooth screens. We will do this. Alright, there we go. The interior windshield is cleaned up. It is now shiny. Look at that car. Look. All shiny, huh? And now, time for the base. The ugly base. This is an ugly base. You can see there. Well, thank goodness I tried to clean it up. So hopefully he will be restored. Which it will be a nice cleaned up base. Let's add more soap on it. Let's put water on the toothbrush. And now time to clean it up. Well, I hope this base is going to be shiny as well. Okay, now I think thanks to these other type of stuff, it will be now shining. Well, as you can see there, not bad like that. There we go. Now time to take a moment of clean it up faster as I can. Whoops, sorry. I was trying to clean it up, he got out. There we go. We did it. It is all cleared up. Look at that car. It's been now cleaned up thanks to these items. Okay, it's now time to put all the stuffs in here, including the glue, along with one rivet tool, a new rivet. We are going to place the new axles over here. Just place it. Then place the correct size axle over here. It's now time to put a little bit of, what is this?
Patex epoxy.
Patex epoxy glue. Now let's place it on the axle so the axle can never be lost. There we go. And now for the front one. There, I think it's done. Now time to put the interior on. Now time to place the Gov'Ner's body onto the pieces. Now time to place a new rivet tool on the drill rivet. Here I found the drill rivet over here. And we are going to add a little bit of more glue over here. There we go. Now let's wait for 5 minutes.